Kukhalibhungane kwilwandle zaseNtshona Koloni, le ngingqi bitsala kakhulu abakhenkethi. Kwelinye icala abanini bamashishini kule ngingqi babala ilahleko.
No sale of alcohol has been a very difficult situation. People usually come out and they want a glass of wine or they want something to drink. So it's decreased our sales by plus minus 40%.
Le ndawo ithandwa kakhulu ngabathandi bezemidlalo yaselwandle.
It does definitely not make sense to close the beaches because our beaches are really wide and vast and there is no crowds on the beaches ever.
Ihotele iShelly Point iye yazimisa izicwangciso zayo zokwamkela unyaka omtsha ngenxa yesisigaba sesithathu se-lockdown.
Guests have cancelled, they do not want to travel with their children. The sale of alcohol obviously is now restricted, and the consumption as well on site. So guests would rather stay at home. They've got no need to go out to the hotel, so it's definitely a negative impact.
Ukanti izimvo zabahlali ziyabethabethana ngalomba.
It makes no sense. So unfortunately for us, we have to pack up all our equipment and head on back home.
Given the curfew, the new restrictions and obviously the ban on the alcohol, it's something that people are disappointed in. But if we look at the health and the population...
Nangona kukho le miqathango, oosomashishini banethemba lokuba izinto ziza kubuyela esiqhelweni ukuze bakwazi ukwenza ingeniso.